Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I ordered a bike light for my bike because this one that I have, it's not that bright. And I got this on Amazon for like 20 bucks, I think. Let's open it up. Sorry about that. My mom called me. Let's put my knife back on. Okay. Let's check it out. Okay, let's see. This is best mountain bike lights, bike flashlights. It is. Like that. It's cushiony. Ooh. Comes with a backlight for free. Volcano bicycle light. Pretty cool. Well, you can have police colors, red and blue. I don't know, maybe. Here it is. The LED rechargeable light. This has 1000 lumens. I was reading on Amazon, so it should be good. It has 3 modes, I think. Low mode, high, strobe, SOS, and medium. Let's open it up. Or you can just slide it over. It's pretty heavy from the packaging. You can feel the weight because this is made with aluminum. It's made with aluminum. Whoa, that is heavy. That is heavy. I like it. I like the weight. It's also waterproof, I think. I could use this as a normal flashlight also. You could if you want. It's kind of like a GoPro. You slide it down. Let's see if it has charge. Oh, yes it does. That is bright. That's, I think, low, medium, and high, and strobe. And the other SOS. That's pretty cool. I like the weight. In the back, that's where you charge it by USB, micro USB, because it comes with a charger in the bottom. It comes with a white cable. Pretty small. I have plenty of those. And the actual piece, it's kind of like a GoPro mount, kind of. If you unscrew this. And yeah, let's put it on my bike. This is how if I put it on, you have to open it and then put on your balls and screw it on. That's tight enough. You get your heavy duty flashlight, and just like a GoPro, you slide it on. Do a click, and there it is. Pretty cool. You can twist it. I think if you can see, you can twist it. But you can't move it up. The only way you can move it up and down if you unscrew it. And then I think to take it off, you slide it back down. Wait, how do you? Let me take a look at this. Just found it. There's a button you push on the side, and then you slide it up, and there it is. The Vestfile bike light. Let's see some daylight shots. Let's unbox this one, the backlight, because I didn't unbox this one yet. This is like a freebie that they came. You buy that and they give you this for free. It also charges by USB also. It's an okay material. It's kind of okay. It got some power. That's pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. In the box, just same thing that it came with. A black cable this time. So yeah, let's put it on. I have one, but I can have two, or maybe give to my dad or my mom. But it's pretty cool. Yeah. Yep. Let's wait until the sun goes down, like in probably a couple of hours, and then I'll show you at night riding. So yeah. See you when it gets dark. Here the light is on low, and then it's at medium, and then it's at high, then strobe, SOS, and that's it. The LED light's a little dim, but you could see it. That's how it's on low. This is medium. And then this is high. It actually lights up a lot. That's pretty cool. And then this is strobe. And then this is SOS. Back to low. Low actually lights up pretty good. And then medium. Medium is probably the one that I'll probably be using a lot. Like if you can see the path easily. And then high is like if it's very dark. It's actually pretty bright. You light up entire. You can see the laser. So yeah, that's the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that the like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and comment below if this is bright. On camera it doesn't seem bright, but it's pretty bright. I'm using it as a spotlight for videotaping. So yeah, see you in the next video. Peace. So here you can see it's on low. It gets part of the house. And then this is medium. Gets some of the bushes in the fence, and this is high. It shines the entire house. You can see a lot more in the background. So yeah, this is it. And strobe and SOS.